Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I will be showing you how to fix access denied in Firefox. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go through the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then now over here, you could just simply go for the settings. Now over here guys, on the settings, go for the search bar, search for proxy. And now you will have an option configure proxy. So guys, from here just simply select no proxy. Sometimes having no proxy can fix your issue. Now another option guys is just simply go for your extensions at the top right corner over here, and now we just simply go for manage extensions. So guys, over here, if you are using a VPN guys, just simply disable it. And also if you have any extensions that you no longer use, I recommend selecting the three dots and just simply remove any extensions that might be causing the issue. Now another option guys is you could just simply go ahead and go for about config, and you will have these options over here. Then select accept the risk and continue. Now over here, you can just simply click on the search bar and just simply search for privacy that resists fingerprinting. So guys, make sure that this one is on false, and if it's on true guys, just simply select false, and mostly this fixed the issue. And also if it still doesn't work, you could just simply select the shield icon over here and select clear cookies and site data on the specific site that you are having problems with, and just simply select clear over here to fix it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.